In today's episode, we are going to take a look at the Bissell 1985. We spent a week using it and tested it to make sure we can give you accurate information about it. To see its latest price, you can check out the links down in the description below. Okay, so let's get started with the video. The Bissell 1985 is a versatile machine, which is built-in hose that allows you to clean tight crevices around sofa cushions, tough cleaning areas and your car very easy. It has a multitude of tools included that can clean different areas inside the home: a motorized brush roll, built-in hose, extension wand, brush tool and a crevice tool. These tools are great for cleaning inside the home and inside your vehicle. It has an easy-to-empty bin. It is easy because of the wide opening, and the bin itself is detachable, which makes it less messy and much easier to clean. The dirt bin size is medium, which it makes it normal for a handheld vacuum cleaner, so of course if you are planning on cleaning for hours, you will probably have to empty the bin more often. Bissell also includes an extension hose and wand. This feature is what makes this handheld vacuum cleaner popular and demanded. In default mode, you will only see the brush tool, but when you pull it out it will reveal a flexible hose that makes this even more versatile. Another useful tool is the motorized brush roll. If you have pets in your house, this can be handy for cleaning fabric sofas or carpeted stairs because of its efficiency. Although, you will need to tidy up hair that wraps around the brush. The cleaning performance, it's amazing and it will satisfy you in any aspect. Consumer reviews and many satisfied users commend this handheld vacuum cleaner's suction power since it picks up everything in sight. Since it is a handheld, you obviously cannot use this to clean floors at a massive scale even with the turbo brush tool, but it will clean any sorts of upholstery from leather to fabric. Considering all the places that this tool allows you to clean not only inside your home but inside your vehicle as well, we highly recommend you to buy this product, since it is one of the most demanded handheld vacuums in the market. Thanks for watching this video. I hope you liked it. If you want to find the price and more information about this product, you can check out the link down in the description and the comment section below. If you have any questions related to it, please do not hesitate to write a comment and I will get back to you as soon as I can. Thanks for watching and I will see you in the next video.